Today, I'd like to talk about a major problem or issue: atherosclerosis. Many people mistakenly believe that this problem only affects older people, thinking the young are immune to it. This is a misconception. In fact, atherosclerosis can begin affecting people as early as age 30, and it is becoming more common in younger populations each day. So, what is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis occurs when plaques form in the arteries, narrowing their opening and hindering proper blood flow. This means that under even minor physical strain, the body can't compensate properly. If this happens in the heart, it can lead to ischemia or even a heart attack. If it occurs in the brain, it can result in a stroke. If the arteries supplying the intestines are affected, blood flow to the intestines is compromised, potentially leading to necrosis of the intestines and serious complications. So, when plaques form in the arteries of the lower limbs, they can promote blood clot formation. And if one of these clots dislodges and travels to the lungs, it can cause a pulmonary embolism, which can be fatal. Additionally, if blood flow to the genital area is blocked, it can lead to issues with erectile dysfunction, thus impacting the quality of life. This problem is extensive and there's a lot of information out there, some of which is conflicting. Today, I'll do my best to explain the essence of atherosclerosis in simple terms and give you 5 steps to either slow its progression if you already have it, or if you don't, help prevent its onset so you can continue to enjoy life. So let's start with what causes plaques and why they form. Many people believe cholesterol is the root cause, labeling it as good or bad. In my view, nothing in the body is inherently harmful. Rather, everything serves a purpose as a protective reaction to some condition. Cholesterol is a building material essential for our blood vessels, regardless of whether it is high density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein, or triglycerides. When you see high cholesterol in your test results, it's not the cholesterol itself that is bad. Instead, it indicates a systemic issue in the body that needs attention. The liver produces 85% of the cholesterol in our bodies, while only 15% comes from food. This means that while dietary cholesterol contributes to blood cholesterol levels, the body's cholesterol production is more influenced by its internal state. Addressing the root cause of high cholesterol requires a comprehensive approach. One primary factor that promotes bile stagnation and therefore disrupts cholesterol balance is improper gastrointestinal function. When bile isn't released efficiently, lipid metabolism is disturbed, leading to higher cholesterol levels in the blood. Cholesterol in the blood is used by the body as a building material, depositing in blood vessels to patch any microtraumas, similar to how bricks are used to build a house. Arteries, which are large muscular vessels carrying nutrients from the heart to the body's tissues, are especially prone to plaque formation. Why do these plaques form specifically in the arteries? It's largely due to prolonged stress, which can irritate the nervous system. The nervous system, in turn, affects the endocrine system, which prompts the adrenal glands to release adrenaline into the bloodstream. Adrenaline then causes artery spasms, which disrupts blood flow in these vessels, leading to small injuries on the artery walls. This triggers the body to patch up these injuries, often using cholesterol to strengthen the arteries and prevent rupture. So, the formation of plaques isn't the same as blood clots. Plaques narrows the vessel opening, causing red blood cells to stick together, creating tiny clots that can block blood flow. Large clots can be detected through an ultrasound. Some people wonder, how can they know if they have plaques or blood clots? The simplest answer is to get an ultrasound if you have elevated cholesterol levels. This test can help assess the health of your arteries and detect any potential issues or problems. Now, there are several factors that exacerbate liver issues and leading to plaque formation, with smoking being at the top of the list. Smoking causes vasospasms, which constrict blood vessels, impair blood flow, and lead to temporary euphoria, a feeling of strong happiness and excitement, which is not normal. So each cigarette disrupts circulation. So imagine the effects of smoking a pack or two a day. Smoking is directly damaging to the body and creates ideal conditions for more microtraumas, more spasms, and consequently more plaque formation. Next, genetic predisposition can increase the risk of liver issues. If you have a family history of liver problems, it is crucial to take preventative measures from a very young age. Addressing this proactively includes healthy eating, managing stress, and avoiding smoking. A sedentary lifestyle also promotes plaque formation. True physical activity involves movements that promote circulation and blood flow through veins, both veins and arteries. Simply daily activities aren't enough. Ideally, exercise should cause you to sweat daily, helping to train blood vessels and preventing plaques from actually sticking to the arteries. Lastly, I'd like to emphasize that plaque formation doesn't happen overnight. It is a long term process that accumulates over years. When you finally feel symptoms, it's often because things have already become quite severe. People sometimes resort to statins to lower cholesterol, but these drugs merely block cholesterol production, which is a building material necessary for the body. Statins are only beneficial in critical cases of heart attack or stroke. So, for most people, focusing on lifestyle changes is far more effective. Now, here are the 5 steps to help you take control and prevent or manage plaque buildup. Step 1, manage stress. Chronic stress is a major contributor to microtraumas and poor blood flow. While we can't eliminate stress entirely, we can manage its effects. Learn to respond to stressful situations calmly and maintain a healthier mindset. Step 2, optimize digestive health. Ideally, switch to a 2 meal daily routine with breakfast and lunch, giving your body time to cleanse itself overnight. Eating well in the morning and early afternoon provides your body with fuel while allowing for nighttime repair and maintenance. Step 3, incorporate liver friendly foods. Add avocado, leafy greens, especially arugula, sauerkraut, and cold pressed olive oil to your diet. These foods aid bile production and help prevent stagnation. Garlic also has an antibacterial properties that benefit liver health. Step 3, limit high fat or high sugar foods. Avoid combining fatty and sugary foods, which can significantly raise cholesterol levels. Or that should have been step 4. Instead, focus on nutrient dense options like avocados, which are high in healthy fats. Now, let's go on to step 5, or final step. Improve circulation with warm water. Drink warm water around 45 degrees Celsius regularly to help open the bile ducts and aid digestion. Warm water promotes good circulation, reducing plaque buildup. Following these steps can help control plaque formation, improve liver health, and contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Remember, good health is built through consistent habits. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, when you press that like button, it helps out the channel a lot and allow YouTube to allow other viewers to watch this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new video. And please share this information with your family and friends and leave a comment in the comments below and tell me what are your concerns. Thank you so much for watching.